Okay, just for a recap on how to do any graphing on webassign, I'm just going to do one of these as a quick example. For number 6, it wants us to graph this inequality by hand. So I'm going to grab the line tool, and I'm going to plot the y-intercept, which is 6, use the slope, which is -2. I'm rising 2 units in the negative direction and running 1 unit in the positive. I put the negative on the top of my rise over run fraction. This gives me that nice negative slope. This is going to have a dotted line, so I need to make sure that I hit dashed on here. And it says y is less than. So I am going to fill under that line. So this is the inequality y is less than -2x plus 6. And I just want to remind you that if you are going to be graphing a system, you have to not only plot and graph each line. So this one has 5 up 4 over 1. This one has a dotted line, and it's less than. So I'm going to fill less than right here. And the next one is 2 is the y-intercept. My slope is -1, so that looks like that. And this is also a dashed line because it has no equal symbol. And this says y is greater than, which happens to be up here. But really, all I want highlighted is the solution where both of these overlap. And so sometimes by default that happens, and sometimes it doesn't happen. So I just have to double check and make sure that that's where I would want those to be highlighted. And this one is complete. If you have any other questions about graphing on webassign, please post on the wall in Schoology so that your classmates can have a chance to answer your question. Have a great weekend.